Alright, here we are. Haven't started her up in a couple of weeks. Let's see how we do here. It's turns a little bit on a slow, cold start, but it hasn't been too cold. And I get a little puff of smoke, I may have mentioned. A little smoke for about 30 seconds or even less in the back. That's pretty standard for this. Starts right up. I'm going to back it out into the sunshine and we can get it, you can see the engine itself. That was just the door. By the way, I want to mention a little squeak in the rear brake drums. I had it checked out. It said it's nothing major. I could get it machined down or what have you, but they said it's no big deal. It's almost something to expect. I don't like it. If I was going to keep the car, I think I would change it out. Here we go.